everyone, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. How are you doing today? So in today's video, I'll be doing an unboxing. This is a vacuum cleaner, but seriously, I've never had one, and I've never planned to have one. But my husband surprised me with it, so I'll be unboxing it with you guys. It's never crossed my mind that I need a vacuum cleaner in the house. I use my mop, I use my, my rag to clean whatever I want to clean. But he said, okay, well, madam, let's gift you a vacuum cleaner. So, I said, my people, I don't know what this is. I've never used vacuum cleaner in my life. I'm a village girl. I am a village girl. I don't even know what these things are for. These are the things that bring me out. I don't even know what they're for. They said this vacuum cleaner, 1,300 watts. These are the legs. I don't know what this is. I think this is the handle. So these are the paperwork. Let's go through the paperwork and see what this is. This is because I've never used this before, so I don't know how it works seriously. This is what I saw. I don't know what this is. It's looking like newspaper, but it's not newspaper. I think there is something. So this is it. So this handle, from this picture, this handle is supposed to be here. From this picture, the handle is supposed to be here. So these are the instructions on how to fix them. So first of all, we have to fix this. I forgot that I didn't place this thing. There's the most important thing in the world. Love is the most important thing in the world. Love is the most important thing in the world. Love is the most important thing. You should take the time to get to know me. If you want a friend, a real friend, but it's okay, I'll be here if you want me till the very end of this song. 'Cause love is the most important thing in the world. Love is the most important thing in the world. Love is the most important thing in the world. Love is. It's in low tight. Why? It's the most important thing, yeah. And I pray. It's in low tight. And I pray that you live long enough to forgive.
2,000 years later.
To be a village woman is not easy. My people. My people. This is unboxing gone wrong because like my husband wanted to open it and fix it. I said no, don't worry, I will unbox it and I will fix it. But I just don't know. This leg is supposed to, when you fix it, it's to enter. Eh? How come it's not entering? Eh? Am I doing anything wrong? Supposed to be on the leg. This one, you know, enter.
Years later.
So guys, the thing I've been struggling with, my son has figured it out. How did you do it?
It's not fully closed.
Okay, so okay.
It is not fully closed.
You press it. It's closed now. I don't know if I don't know it. Oh my god. The thing is entering now. So we've done that. Let's do the next one. Come and help me to see if you can figure this out. But I don't know how you fix this one. They didn't show how to fix this thing. Are we going to go and test it? So either you use this knot or this knot or that knot. This is the head. You're not supposed to handle this. Wait, Sharon. Wait. Get a... Wait. There's another one. Let's see them. Let's take out something. Get extension from that drawer. My fingers are crossed. No, you can't handle it. It's not for children. Stop. Know if it's coming out. Do it. Let's see if it's coming out. Air is coming out.
Let's test this. Actually, can we talk in something?
Oh yeah, say please. Where did he go to? Up in front, yeah, up from the switch. Wait, I forgot that was not done. Where did he go? Where?
You entered me.
Bring it, let's see. Inside that thing?
Yeah.
Jesus, how are we going to bring it out? Hey, why no? Is this inside here?
Yeah.
Are you sure it's there?
Yeah, I think.
Oh, guys! So, guys, thank you so much. Thank God for my son. Now, my son was around. He has not gone back to school, so he figured everything out. So, thank you guys, and please subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Say bye first. Say